Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Envato AI and Designs AI to find out which one is the best tool for launching a brand in 2025. Envato AI shines with a massive library of high quality assets and AI enhanced templates, making it easy to create professional branding material fast. If you want quick access to logos, graphics, videos, and more, Envato's resources are a big help for getting started. Designs AI goes beyond just assets by offering all-in-one platform that helps you design logos, create videos, write copy, and generate social media content, all powered by AI. This makes it ideal for entrepreneurs who want a seamless way to build and grow their brand without juggling multiple tools. If your focus is on ready-made assets and speedy design, Envato AI has you covered. But if you want a full branding toolkit with AI-driven automation for everything from visuals to messaging, Designs AI is a strong contender. And that's all for the comparison. And thanks for watching. If this helped to decide between Envato AI and Designs AI for launching your brand, please like this video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more branding and marketing tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.